Hi guys, another video for you. This should be probably my second video today. I actually have a new phone, funny enough, even between videos today, new phone. So maybe the quality will be a little bit better. Sometimes I like to use my DSL camera for this channel, but it's a lot of work to get the videos out. Anyways, today I'm going to do Burberry Brit Splash, which is a flanker. And I'm not super sure of the times. I think Burberry Brit came out in like 2004 or so, and I think this came out in 2015 or something, 2014, something recently. So it's a bit of a newer one, if you will. Oh, sorry, I'm getting used to this camera still. Just a little sample here. Again, I haven't worn this. I'm not sure if I maybe sprayed it to get the atomizer going, but I've definitely never worn this one. From what I see, I've heard it doesn't smell a lot like the Burberry fragrance, which if you've seen my review on that, I actually really like that. I thought it was pretty nice. And I heard some people say, oh, it smells a lot like Acqua di Gio, or no, it doesn't smell anything like Acqua di Gio. So we'll see. I'm assuming it's going to be a blue, fresh, ozonic kind of fragrance. Hair's a little slicked back and weird looking because I just took a shower recently. So I do have a little bit of a tiny bit of a fragrance that might clash with this, just my soap. Using a new soap, by the way, for you soap enthusiasts. It's a new Irish Spring Pure Fresh, which is pretty damn nice. It's less green than original Irish Spring, so it's not as in your face. It's a bit more of like a old school floral soap. It's a great soap. Anyways, you came here for this. Sprayer is pretty bad, but these little ones they always suck with these kind of caps. Just a squirt of mist. Well, it smells fresh and super fresh and aquatic right off the top, but I'm getting a little tiny bit of spice. I don't know if this is supposed to draw connections to Burberry Brit, but the spice is actually definitely reminding me of it, at least. Fresh and spicy, which are two things that normally don't go together very well, but I actually can't say that this is super bad at the top. I was not thinking I wasn't going to like this. I definitely don't really go for the blue ozonic scents, but it smells pretty good. I could see comparisons to Acqua di Gio maybe, but I mean, it's just a blue fragrance. You know, it's a fresh aquatic fragrance. That's the only comparison I would give. It smells a little bit like Burberry Brit, actually, with the spices in there. I'm not sure what spices I'm smelling, though. And I'm also smelling melon, or like cantaloupe, or something like that. Which, actually, I could do without. I don't know if I like that melon smell. They could have put maybe... I don't know what they could have put in here. Grapefruit, perhaps? What is it? Azzaro Chrome Aqua has grapefruit in the top, and that works really well. This has the citruses, of course, but that grapefruit, or sorry, that like melon or watermelon or cantaloupe or something, it doesn't really work very well. It's starting to come through, and I think I could definitely do without that. Well, this might be a short video because it's not really changing at all, and it seems to be like it's going to stay like this for a while. I just wanted to do a first impressions of this one because I also have Burberry Rhythm, which is another flanker, of course, and that one I've smelled and worn a couple times, so I'll do a proper review on that. I just had this one sitting around and said, hey, I haven't done one on this. I might as well just do a first impressions. Not bad, actually. Surprised. It's nothing to write home about. It smells very generic. Maybe a little cheap and synthetic, but it's not bad, actually. I think the addition of the spices in here mixed with the ozonics notes is what's making me like it a little bit more because, you know, I do like spicy kind of scents. So I like that, but as I've already said, I'm not caring about that melon. It gives it almost like a plasticky kind of smell, a little bit like plastic or something foul. I wouldn't say that it smells foul, but maybe something a little off. It doesn't seem very strong either. I'm really having to get in here. I don't know. Well, I'll come back in a later video and talk about this one. But for now, it's all right. It's surprised me at the very least. I think it's pretty decent, but I'm not crazy about it. I don't know if we really needed a flanker, another flanker of this, especially like a aquatic version. But whatever, it exists. I'm not sure about the price with this one. I'm sorry I didn't look it up. I just kind of wanted to go in blind for this one. But the top green notes are there as well, kind of coming through. I feel like this will kind of dry down to like probably it will be a little bit similar to Burberry Brit is my guess, with maybe a little bit of that melon still there. Yeah, the green notes though are good. Like maybe rosemary or basil or something. Very nice green notes in this one, but Burberry Brit has very good green notes in it as well. Anyways, that's all. That's all I have to do. Just a quick one, but wanted to smell this one for the first time. So, anyways, take care, guys.